Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 852-852. We're opening one box of 2014 Panini Prizm World Cup FIFA. Our last winning country was for Uruguay, ended June 29th at 10:01 p.m. According to DiamondDate.com, it is currently 12:38 p.m. Tuesday, June 30th, that's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our box number is BR 149 382 165. We've got 6 cards per pack, 24 pack in the box. Password is one box Panini Prizm World Cup FIFA. Just like to mention that any cards that are pulled from the host cities or the mascots and also friends of the game's auto will be randomized between all 32 countries. That information is all available on my description pages. 12 packs here, another 12 here, one empty box. And if we pull some cards from matchup, the cards will be randomized between the two countries indicated in the back of the card. Okay, here we go. We'll do 3-pack bundles. That way we can keep the video approximately around 20 minutes. Just small adjustment here. Better. Clean and on screen. Okay, our first 3-pack bundle. There we go. Sami Khedira for Germany, numbered card out of 149. What might focus here? Better. Much better. Okay. We've got a net finder for Greece, Kostas Mitroglou. Portugal, Luis Figo, we call it Prizm. World Cup stars. And that's our first 3-pack. Next 3. Let me just adjust my chair here, a little more comfortable. Sorry about that. Better. One, 2, and 3. Javad Nyekunam of Iran, Prizm Parallel. Guardian, Argentina, Sergio Romero. Got a World Cup star, Wayne Rooney for England. Oh, Robin van Persie. Let me just get a sleeve for this. We got an auto for Netherlands. Robin van Persie. Signature card for Netherlands. World Cup star, Iker Casillas for Spain. This card is numbered out of 149. Colombia, team card, 3-color Prizm. Next 3. Assault, Australia. Tim Cahill. Aerial Assault. Cup Captain Didier Drogba for Ivory Coast. Another three. Stefan Lenstener for Germany, Switzerland. Three-color Prizm. Got a Guardian card for Portugal, Rui Patricio. Sorry. World Cup Star Prizm version, Thiago Silva for Brazil. Let me get a drink of water here. Much better. Sorry about that. I like to be comfortable when I do my breaks. 2 and 3. World Cup Star Radamel Falcao for Colombia. Great player. We've got Eduardo for Croatia. 3-color Prizm. Cup Captain Kevin Strootman for Netherlands. Got a matchup between France and Ecuador. We'll put it aside to be randomized between these two countries at the end of the break. Hey, we got a little mascot. Fuleco. Again, the card will be randomized between all 32 countries at the end of the break. In our last 3 packs, Miguel Layun for Mexico. 3-color Prizm. We got a France team card. World Cup Star Edin Dzeko of Bosnia. And that's our box. Okay, we'll do a quick recap of our hits, but before we do, we've got 2 cards to be randomized. So let's get to my screen. I'm already set up like always. Let's do a little mascot here. We're under random.org. Get it higher. Random.org. Under the list randomizer, I've got set up all 32 countries by ranking, like Spain was ranked first, we got Italy was ranked 9th, so they're not in order, they're all mixed by ranking. So all 32 countries will be randomized 3 times for this card. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins, country that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. All that information is available on my description page. So here we go. We randomize once. We've got Costa Rica on top. Randomize the 2nd time. We've got Bosnia on top. And a 3rd time. We've got Bosnia on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Bosnia is on top. Bosnia gets a little mascot card. Okay, now for our matchup between France and Ecuador, and Ecuador is first on card. So we go to Ecuador and France. Here we go. Randomize once, 2 times, 3 times. Ecuador is on top. I've randomized this list 3 times. Ecuador wins the matchup card. Let me get the players here of Valencia and Ribéry. Okay, now as promised, quick recap of our hits. We just went with these 2 cards. So here we go. World Cup star for Bosnia. We got a team card for France. Mexico. We got Luan, Kevin Strootman for Netherlands. Eduardo for Croatia. We got Colombia, Brazil, Guardian card for Portugal, Switzerland, Ivory Coast, Australia, Colombia team card. We got a numbered card of Iker Casillas for Spain out of 149. England card, Argentina, Sergio Romero. Iran, Portugal, Greece, numbered card for Germany out of 149, and of course, our auto of Robin van Persie of Netherlands. So that concludes our break number 852 of 1 box of FIFA World Cup. Next box break is next Tuesday at 8 p.m. Ends next Tuesday at 8 p.m. My name is Jill. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box break.